Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Here is Josue Dioba. Today we're making a new video to talk about the new achievements of the ELECTROATOM project, the updates, but also the status of our partners. And then we land in Togo, in the city of Atakpamé, where a successful major conference took place on December 29th. This conference was led by our representatives. This is Christophe Balwatra, but also Ibrahim Mohamed. It was a conference that attracted quite a few investors. We are proud of them, we are happy, and we say bravo to them. And so, we want to congratulate our partners who have reached the specialist level. This includes Kevin Gislin, as well as Aline Adijo, and many others who have been able to reach the specialist level. Regarding the masters, we have several other people who have been able to reach the master level. So, this is about Alice and all those people who were able to participate in our conference and have reached the master level. We are very proud of you and we want to congratulate you for having reached the master status. And then we will talk about the second funding phase, which has been extended until February 1st. For all those people who would like to invest in the project, ELECTROATOM, the opportunity is given to you to be able to apply and win big prizes, win greater advantages. Do not hesitate. For all those people who hesitate, the opportunity is given to you. I remind you that the offer is extended until February 1st. So for all those people who wish to invest, the doors are open, come in, and together we can reach the financial level. So we will talk about a new stage in the progress of our equipment. Don't forget that we now have the compressor in the turbo generator, which is a new installation. This also includes the discharge. This is about the connection, but also about the preparation. These three phases have allowed the turbo generator to compress the element, to move it forward, and to enable all those people who wish to benefit from electricity to have that electricity at a low price. Don't forget that very soon we will set up the equipment and we will present it to all the investors who are hesitant and think that this is just a flop. So we want to let you know that we have finished this New Year's lottery. There have been better winners, champions, and you can see the names and the prizes as well, which will be displayed on the screen. I remind you that the prizes that people have won include the AirPods 4 as well as the Apple Watch. We also have the MacBook Air and of course the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Not to forget the $10,000 certificate for anyone who wants to grab the new opportunities. You can see on the poster now displayed on your screen, you can see the names of all the winners as well as the prizes they were able to win during this lottery. Don't hesitate for the upcoming lotteries. Get involved because who knows, you might be the winner. We are now heading to Côte d'Ivoire, specifically in Abidjan, to talk about our office located in the Cocody district, which is managed by our representative Moussa Kone. Of course, Moussa Kone holds meetings in our office. So the opportunity is given to everyone in Abidjan to join this project, to be able to get information, but also to get concrete answers to all their concerns and questions. I remind you that the office is open from Monday to Friday. You can come by to get updates and gather information. And of course, Moussa Kone is always available to welcome you and provide you with what you need. And now, we will talk about our webinars that are held every Tuesday and Friday by Koyade in English. I remind you that on Tuesdays it focuses on the technical side, and on Fridays it focuses on the investment side. Also, every Friday, we have conferences that are organized on Zoom, and this conference is led by our representatives. It's typically in French for all those people who would like to know more about the project Letter to the Tomb. You can connect on Zoom, and I remind you that on the 13th of every month, we also have conferences organized by our representative, Miss Nguyen, with the Vietnamese community. These conferences are also held on Zoom. And now we are heading to Burkina Faso, where Armanda also leads a conference every Sunday at 8:30 p.m. This conference is also on Zoom. He talks about how to achieve financial freedom in the energy sector. And now we will finish with Gerard Sokanou, who is the CIO agent, Victor Chunov, who also holds conferences on Zoom every Wednesday starting at 1 p.m. Gerard shares the information and how to invest in the project, but he also answers all your concerns. So don't hesitate to connect to learn more about the ELECTROATOM project. That's all for today. Thank you for following us. It's a pleasure for me to share the week's news about the ELECTROATOM project. Friends, we'll see each other very soon next week for a new video to talk again about the progress of our project. I remind you that you can follow us on all our social media, Facebook, Instagram. Can you follow us on Telegram? And of course, feel free to connect to our entire conference. Goodbye.